In Hello, in this video we're gonna demonstrate how the app uses the service background and why it does need it for it to work. So basically this video is about the foreground service data sync permission and a demonstration of how it works within the app. So basically one of the things that we can do in the app, which is blocking apps with a schedule. So let's just assume a user is gonna define a sleep routine, and in sleep routine he's gonna say, I want to block this set of applications during their schedule, which is 4:45 a.m. up to 6 a.m. for the sake of an example. And right now the user is just gonna define this and he's gonna exit the application and continue using his phone as normal, and that's it. So what we expect is that our application is currently running, monitoring the time, and once we will have the 4:45, what we should expect is that all the applications gonna get blocked. Of course, the application that the user has set. So let's just wait for that. Right now to confirm, we can go into Google Photos, which works fine. We can go also to Gmail and it works fine. But once we do reach the 4:45 a.m., which is the start of the user schedule, all the application will get blocked. So let's just give it a couple of seconds and wait for that. All right, so right now it's 4:45, and as you can see, once the time has reached, we see that we have a key in here. This key basically is because our application uses a VPN profile that's gonna block network from all the application that the user has specified that he want to block, so that it can reduce disturbance. And here we can see that the focus mode is active. If we try to access Google Photos, we will no longer be able to do that. If we able to access Gmail, we will not be able to do that. And of course, the user doesn't necessarily needs to be active in the application so that the schedule works. And also, he doesn't need to do anything. Basically, once he do set the schedule in the app, that means he is willing to do what he's asking for, which is blocking the apps with the schedule. And here we can see the blocking status. Yeah, and that's it. This is one of one feature in the application. We have another similar feature, which is instead of a user specifying a defined schedule, he will define a limit, which is 30 minutes. That means that the user want to be able to use the Gmail a maximum of 30 minutes a day. Basically, we will need the permission, of course, for the same reason, which is counting screen time, and once it gets reached, we're gonna block the application. Yeah, and that's it. I hope that's clear, and thank you.